What is up, YouTube? Today we got us another smoke alarm review. Um, it was supposed to be a Friday, but instead it came a little early, and it is this. This is the First Alert model number SA150LT. This is the one with the escape light. This is the earlier version that still had the big cover. I got this off eBay, brand new in box. There's the box right there, manual, all that good stuff. This is so this, as some people will probably say, it literally looks like a first gen of a SA67, but this is a SA76RD. But it is not. This is actually made later in the second gen series, along with the second gen SA67D and the SA90LT and the SA88, which the 90LT and the 88 were also light tests, while the SA67D was just your basic smoke alarm in the series. When we open it up, here's the inside of it. As you see, you got your classical piezo horn, your sensor, your light, and the batteries. There was a later version that had the smaller cover of the SA67D with the escape light. It was the SA150LTD, which honestly I thought it was probably going to be that one, but this is the earlier version, the SA90LT. So yeah, I did got this brand new in box. It did came with its original batteries, but both of them were exploded like hell, and I was not keeping them, even though it was a rare battery, but still the things were crusty. So I ain't got too much to say, not furthermore, other than let's go ahead and give it a test. As you see, it does your classic, more of a slower 4.6. The light is kind of bright for a smoke alarm. Pretty cool. Go ahead and test it one more time. And yeah, I don't got too much to say other than another smoke alarm review. I hope you enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.